Hi, I'm Wendy Kirshner with Pfeiffer Realty Group, and today we're located at my listing at 15590 Catalpa Cove Drive. This is a beautiful neighborhood and is known for boating because we're very close to the Caloosahatchee River. Every home in the Catalpa Cove has a deeded boat dock. The boat dock that goes with this home is number 62. This home, that is over 2,400 square feet, is on 0.6 of an acre. And as you can see, it provides that beautiful outdoor-indoor living that everybody wants here in Southwest Florida. These pocket doors slide all the way back and allow for an easy transition indoor and outdoor. Come along and I'll show you the rest of the house. This large kitchen has granite countertops, and the great thing about them is they're all counter height. It also has a lot of extra cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. There's a lot of light that comes into this kitchen nook because of the windows that are located throughout it. On this side of the house is the master wing. This master bedroom has tray ceilings and a very large living space. It also has access out to the pool area through the French doors. This is the first office in this home. It has large windows and a beautiful hardwood flooring and is located very close to the kitchen. Down this hallway, we have another half bath, and we also have a large 3-car garage. As you can see here, this is an elevated home. The garage is at least 3 feet below the rest of the living area, and there was no water intrusion after Hurricane Ian. A beautiful formal dining room greets you when you come into the house, with a lot of light and plantation shutters throughout. This is the larger of the two offices, and it has French doors, hardwood floors, and built-in bookcases. On the other side of the house are the 2 guest bedrooms. This is the first guest bedroom. Notice the really tall ceilings. This is a full bath here for both bedrooms, and here's the second guest bedroom and third and final bedroom in the home. This home has also an extra pool bath connected through here. Once again, we find ourselves relaxing by the pool and enjoying the beautiful water feature, looking at the beautiful backyard and the palm leaves. Don't miss your opportunity to own this house. Give me a call as soon as you can.